that the jailed activist Navdeep Kaur has gotten bail. She, however, will stay in bail because stay in jail for now, because bail is pending in another case. And of course, who is Navdeep Kaur? She is known as Navdeep Kaur. She's a 23-year-old Dalit activist. She was held on the 12th of January after a demonstration in Haryana. Since then, she has made international headlines, and with even international celebrities questioning why she has been jailed, and her family has even claimed that she has been assaulted while in custody, charges the police have denied. But let's go across to NDTV's Ghazali, who's joining us. So Ghazali, first and foremost, can you confirm that she has been granted bail? Is she to continue to stay in jail? Why is she not being released?
See, Navdeep Kaur, she got bail in connection with an alleged extortion case which was registered at Kundli Police Station in Sonipat district for an incident which happened on December 28. But she had to stay in jail as her bail plea was rejected by Sessions Court in another case which was registered on January 12. And there is another bail plea pending in another case which is fixed for February 13. So actually she is facing 3 FIRs, and she was arrested on January 12 for 2 FIRs which were registered on that very day. The bail she has received is on another case which was registered in December last year. So since this bail she has granted in the bail in the case which was registered in December, and for bail for 2 other cases is still pending, that's why she'll have to stay behind bars as of now.
So, Ghazali, I just want to clarify again that Navdeep Kaur, of course, had made international headlines. We had everyone from Meena Harris, the niece of the Vice President of America, even talking about her, tweeting about her, which drew international attention to the arrest, to the alleged sexual assault of this young Indian activist. She's a trade unionist. She was protesting, I think in this case, wage payment in an industrial cluster near Delhi. Was she also speaking up on the farmers' protests? Ghazali?
On January 12, the incident for which she was arrested on January 12. Before January 12, she joined the protesters near the Singhu border. She was sitting there, and she used to be protesting against the farm laws in Sonipat district also. So she was also active in the protest against the farm laws by holding protest and morchas near outside these private the companies or infrastructure by private malls and all in Sonipat district. So she was certainly active in the farm protest as well, and as per records, she was arrested from the Singhu protest site. So certainly she is getting all the attention as of now because her family alleges that she was subjected to sexual and physical assault, though the Sonipat police, as Superintendent of Police, has denied all these charges, while the lawyer of Navdeep Kaur said that they have still not received the medical report which was conducted while she was arrested.
And she had been denied bail twice before too, correct?
Yes, she has been denied bail in one of the cases which was registered on January 12, and today she received this bail in a case registered in December last year. And she still has one hearing or a bail pending for another case which was also registered on January 12 only.
So when is that hearing expected?
That is in the next week. That bail plea, the hearing for another case, the last case which is expected is in next week.
So basically what this means is, given it is the weekend and it's Friday now 6:30, Navdeep Kaur will continue to stay in custody over the weekend? We can expect something only on Monday?
Actually, the bail plea for the last case is tomorrow only, that is Saturday. So her bail plea will come up for tomorrow as well.
So the second case in which she is has a bail plea, that is due tomorrow, and perhaps then depending on the outcome of that, we will know whether Navdeep Kaur is to stay in jail over the weekend or not. But Mohammad Ghazali confirming there, reporting that jailed activist Navdeep Kaur has gotten bail in one case that is pending against her. This is an extortion case, but she will continue to stay in jail because bail is still pending in another another case. Remember, her family has claimed she has been assaulted while in police custody. The police have denied these charges, but as of now, Nodeep Kaur has been given bail in one case. Remember, she's spent over 20 days in jail, and many have questioned why such a long time before bail, before a bail hearing, before bail being granted. She has been denied bail twice.